Hello, Maurice Beinat, Technical Director at ecoMaster, and today I want to talk to you about frameless windows. Here's one here. You might know them as Shugg windows. The thing that happens with these is that the seal between the lower sash and the upper sash gets sun affected, goes yellow and brittle, and often falls off, as has been the case here. That's where the GCE6 draught excluder for frameless windows comes in really handy. It's very simple to cut the length and simply push on to the top of the lower sash to make a beautiful seal. Now the GCE6 is suitable for 6mm glass, which is the most often found glass in these frameless windows. It comes in two set lengths, 1 metre and 1.5 metres, so just select the one that's most appropriate for your windows. Another thing that you might think about with your frameless windows is how the top sash meets the head of the window. Sometimes there's a good seal there and sometimes there's no seal. If yours don't have a seal, then think about getting a set of draft dodgers for doors and simply cutting a section to the right width and fitting to the head just as you would for a door. So there you have it. If you've got frameless windows where the seals are about to fall off or have fallen off, then think about getting yourself the GCE6 draught excluder for frameless windows from the ecoMaster store. That's ecomasterstore.com.au.